Hey there, my name is Chris Acton with Acton Creative, and this is a Handwoven Experience. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about the value of weaving kits. Let me start us off with my story when it comes to weaving kits. I've been weaving for over 20 years now, and back when I started, which makes me sound very old, but back in my day, we didn't have weaving kits, not in the way they are now, when you have a concise set of instructions and all the materials to go with it. It just wasn't a thing. So as I was learning how to weave, my teacher would set a stack of handwoven magazines by me and say, pick out some things you like. And we would narrow it down and we'd look at the instructions and mostly follow them, and then pull whatever materials we had available. So I didn't grow up as a weaver in the world that had weaving kits available. I think it's amazing that that is an option for so many weavers in current day. So let's talk about the value of these amazing weaving kits. First of all, the big one, friends, is that it is all planned for you. It's all done. Someone has done all the hard work. They have gone through a couple iterations. They have written down the instructions, hopefully in a very nice, clear, concise manner. They have provided you exactly the materials you need. You are ready to go. They dropped it in your lap and they were like, off with you, go weave. Great, all the planning is done. Especially when you're a beginner, that's a huge deal because planning is a step that you may get to after you've been weaving for a while. You don't come right out of the gates and plan projects necessarily. So that's lovely to have someone else who did it for you. When you first start, you're worried about dressing a loom and are my sides mostly even and which shaft lifts next? You know, there's other things that you're worried about when you start. So a weaving kit is beautiful for that because the plan is done for you. The next huge benefit with a weaving kit is all about the materials. My friend, there is nothing better than buying a weaving kit because you want to try out a new to you yarn. You want to try out some tencel? Great, get a kit. You've been curious about silk? Awesome, get a kit. It allows you to really play with and try on for size all these different fibers that you don't have to buy big quantities of. Because if you weren't using a kit, you may have to buy 5 different colored cones of silk, and that's a huge investment, and you don't even know if you like working with silk yet. So there's this kind of twofold with the materials. You can try on different kinds of materials, but also not have the expense of buying everything blindly. This is a great way just to try it on for size. And I think the last really huge benefit when it comes to a weaving kit is just the resources that go with it. Now, I cannot speak for everyone, but the kits that I've gotten from Cotton Clouds have been amazing. And I know that if I have questions, I can call Jody and Jessica and they will happily walk me through it. To have that kind of resource and support that comes with a kit, remarkable. Because that's really where we need the help. We're at home, weaving on our own, trying to figure it out. And there are times that you just may not understand an instruction, or it doesn't make sense, or the pattern or something is a little off. With so many kits, you can call the people who sold them to you, the designers, the other weavers, whatever, and you can ask them to consult and give you some guidance. And that is huge, huge. So there's so many great reasons to get into some weaving kits. However, let's talk about the one downside. A kit is meant to be one and done. That's it. That's what its purpose in life is. It is meant so that you can weave 2 towels or 1 scarf or 1 table runner or whatever it is. However it's designed is meant to be one and done. And this does not leave you a lot of wiggle room if you screw up somewhere in the project, if you zig when you should have zagged, or whatever that is, if you modify things intentionally or not. It doesn't leave you any extra. But it also doesn't give you the opportunity to do more, to keep going. Let's say the project is for 2 towels and you're thinking, this was fantastic, I love this, I would like to do 6 more. there's no opportunity for that. You have this much yarn to do 2 towels and then you're done. For some of you, you're like, I am not seeing the problem here, Chris. Great. This is a perfect fit for you. But I want you to be aware of that is kind of the downside to a weaving kit, is that it is designed to give you exactly what you need and nothing more. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's some, of course, cushion, but you know what I mean. So ultimately, when we think about the world of weaving kits, I want to present a couple ideas to you. You know, it's me. Let's talk about some ideas to go with this. I would like you to think of weaving kits as a tool. It is a tool for you along your weaving journey. And this can be a tool that you're using because you want to learn a new pattern, you want to make a new item to you, you want to try a new material, whatever that is. Fabulous. Use it with that kind of intention. But when you're done with a kit, I'm gonna challenge you to not just be like, okay, I wove 4 towels, what's next? Pause for a moment and ask yourself 2 questions. Number 1, what did I learn? Did you learn that you love tencel? Did you learn that herringbone is your favorite twill you've ever done? Yay, you want to do lots more herringbone. Did you learn that the instructions were clear and concise and you loved the author of this? You're like, the way they wrote this was great, I followed everything easily, or not? It can be anything, but just ask yourself, how was the whole experience? What did I learn from this? And B, secondly, ask, what would you change? Yes, my friend, that is my challenge to you. How would you change this? And if your gut reaction is to say, oh no, it's all good, it's all fine. No, friends. You're allowed. This is just a little exercise for you. Because in so many cases, if a pattern calls for, 4 colors of something, how many times do you go, oh, I like 3 of those, but that 4th one, I would change that. What would you change? Should the pattern have been a different scale, bigger or smaller? Would you have made the towels bigger or smaller? Would you have written it a different way so that it made more sense in your head? Would you have presented the draft a certain way? How would you have modified this project if you were doing it from scratch? Now, my friend, I say this not because I expect you to go out and do your own thing, which hopefully one day you'll feel the need to do that. I do this to help you build up your creative muscle because you have it. I promise. Some of you are thinking, no, I'm not creative. You know that's not true, my friend. You are very creative. You just got to start to practice that muscle. And the way you do that is by giving yourself little opportunities to consider, what if I was doing this? What colors would I use? What pattern would I use? What items would I want to make? How would I present this if I was making my own project, my own weaving kit? You don't have to actually do it, but ask yourself the question. I think that's a good exercise for all of us. You see, friends, if you only do weaving kits for your entire life, that is fine by me. I want you to be weaving, no matter what that looks like. So if that is where you're comfortable, great. However, I also want to say that you have a unique perspective on the world. Only you. And we would be blessed if you would share that with us by, starting to modify a weaving project, or at least thinking about, what if I was to create something from scratch? Just all things to chew on over there, my friend. In the meantime, if you're looking for weaving kits, there's lots of resources out there. Like I said, I always recommend Cotton Clouds with Jody and Jessica. They will not steer you wrong. So if you need a place to start with Cotton Clouds. Let me know in the comments, how has your experience been working with weaving kits? Do you love them? Have you not tried them yet? Are you 50-50? You're like, oh, some are okay, some are not. Whatever, let me know in the comments what has been your experience, and if you have some favorite resources to share with the group. They would love that. All right, my friends, have a great week. Happy weaving.